Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Haven't put a video up for a couple of weeks other than shorts. I've had a lot going on, still have got a lot going on, but I'm not going to dwell on that. I want to just say a massive thank you to each and every one of you that has supported me and continues to do so. You know, you're all amazing. My channel members, absolutely appreciate every one of you, because without you I couldn't do the things I do with going to shows and that, so I do really appreciate that. Thank you to each and every one of my subscribers. You're all amazing. You continue to support me, you come back and watch my videos. They're not brilliant, but I enjoy doing them. So yeah, but I just wanted to say a massive thank you before I get on with this tree housing. So guys, thank you so much. Really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Right, we're going to get on with doing a video now. It is a video that I've been waiting to do, and it is my pamphobeteus manabi. So we're going to get that done. Just get now. I have got some substrate in because we mixed a new batch, and I thought, say, putting it in the big container to take it out, just put it straight in to these enclosures. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move some of this over. I'll put you down so you can see what's going on. Sorry, it's a bit dark, guys. My light that I actually use normally has gone, so see if I can make that a bit better for you. Right, there we go guys. So yeah, I'm just going to move some of this substrate out of the way. I have got a nice big cork bark hide for her, so she can spend a lot of time under there. I'm just going to put some substrate down the sides. Fill them sides in, as I always do. Push that down. Right, so that's that guys. Now I'm going to pull some of this substrate out so she's got somewhere where she can actually fit under, and then if she wants to dig what's left under there, she can. So as you can see guys, that's the substrate done. I will spread this one out a bit. Next thing I'm going to do is put some leaf litter in for her. So I'm going to sprinkle some of this leaf litter all at the sides as well. So it gives us some different texture to walk on. I'm just going to move that bit out of the way there, because that's where I want to put the water bowl. So let's see if we can get this little lady out. This is my manabi, like I said. It is going into a bigger enclosure. Right, and there. I'll put a water bowl in. And we'll top that up just a little bit. There you go. Yes, that's tucked up. Now, I know this little lady is hiding under this hide, which is way too small for her now. There you go, come on, beauty. Right, paintbrush. Now, let's see if we can get it to go in. She's just there. So hopefully she will walk in. Come on. Come on, beauty. There you go. Come on. No. There you go. Right. Come on. There you go. Go on in. In you go. Come on, beautiful. There you go. See, that wasn't so bad, was it? So, I hope you did see that, guys. That was my pamphobeteus monabi. I know the lighting's not very good, but she is just down there. I'm just going to put a bit of moss in there. I should have done this before I put it in, but you know what, I totally forgot. Let's get some out and get her some put in. She seems settled at a minute. I hope she stays settled. But I'm just going to put some at the sides of her hide. That's where I normally put it, because I don't like it completely dry. You know, as long as I've got some in there to hold some humidity in for her. I can never get these bloody bags open. Right, I think I've sussed it. Yes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to tear a clump of that off, and I'm going to put a nice clump there on that side. Now, hopefully I don't spook this little lady with me putting a clump on this side. So I will give the moss a little bit of a spray. It is quite moist at the minute, but if I can keep it that way, that'll be even better. Just take that leaf out of there, put it up there, and that, guys, is my pamphobeteus monabi. She's just down there. You can't see her because of how dark it is, but if I can find a torch close, I will put a torch on to show you that. Just bear with me a minute. No, can't find one, so unfortunately, guys, I ain't going to be able to show that, pardon me. But, yeah, that's the pamphobeteus monabi done. I think she'll be settled in there, getting something a lot bigger. And you'll see me remove her again when she needs to go in something slightly bigger. She should be alright in there for a couple of molts. And let's see if I can get the label off the lid. Probably have to sellotape it on because it is drying out a bit now. But yeah, that's the pamphobeteus monabi. That's that one done. So guys, if you did enjoy that video, please do give it a thumbs up. Do ding the bell, and please do subscribe. Appreciate it if you'd share it out as well. Appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you everyone. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Take care guys. Happy New Year.